Okay, Mike, go.
No, you're good.
You're good?
I'm good.
Are you sure? I mean, like, just show me. Just give us one little.
Number one.
Number one.
What you gotta do?
That's what you gotta do.
To be the best, you gotta take out the best.
Oh my god, if you could only see.
Just starts dancing. Do that thing you did really bad.
I can't.
Oh my god.
Wait, you had to do it this way.